Okay, today we are going to do just a very simple beginner version of sun salutation. So come and join me, find a mat, have a bit of a space around you, and we just do it nice and slow to start off with, or maybe even the whole way through. Stand at the front of your mat, feet fairly close together. Okay, reaching up, thumbs go away from you, so behind you, so reaching up. Inhale, lifting up, and then exhale, forward fold. As you forward fold, bend through the knees a little bit. I'll give you lots of cues at the start, okay? And we come down towards the floor. If you can't get to the floor, that's fine. A little slight bend through the knees. Shake the head a little bit. Okay, next one. Hands come to the shins, and then push your bottom away. Pull your shoulders away from your body and try to flatten your back here. So flat back. I won't do the breathing at the moment, we'll just talk about things. Okay, back down to forward fold. Okay, so they're the first four moves. Stepping back, I'm stepping back with my left leg first into a lunge position. And just watch your knees not forward of your toes here. Make sure that the knees over your ankle. And then stepping that leg back into down dog. So I'm in down dog here, and I'm going to walk the dog a little bit. A little walk first. This isn't in the sun salutation, just having a little walk. Alright, so with the down dog, what we do here is you lift your tailbone, come up on the toes, and then push the heels down. Okay, head is down, strong through the shoulders. Alright, so we're going to come forward into plank. That's a full plank, okay? You don't have to do that. Beginners go knees down, and that's your plank, okay? So stay there, sucking in the belly button. And then from here, we're going to come down to the floor. But as you do it, you're going to keep your elbows tucked into your sides. So coming down, bringing the body down, but keeping the elbows tucked into your side. We're just doing a nice simple one. We're not rolling through. And then we're just going to go into cobra. So just here, just a little one. Cobra. Pushing through the hands and lifting. From here, we could come back into down dog, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to push back into child's pose, because I like doing this with my beginners, or my people that come. And then hands are here. So that should be, for you, a good position to tuck the toes under and push up into down dog. Alright, from here, I have my left leg went back first, so I'm going to bring my left leg forward and bring it between my hands. Now, if that's too hard, you just come halfway or wherever you are and you help the hand through. Okay. So when we're in this position, try to keep your back fairly straight, really engaging that back leg. And then we're going to, I like to go back here before I bring that one in. Into forward fold. And then bending through the knees as we rise up. So rising up. And then hands come back down. Alright. Adjust close. Round two. Okay, we're going to go a little bit faster. I won't talk so much, okay? So here we go. Inhale. Reach up, exhale, swan dive down, bend through the knees. Inhale, hands to the shins, flat back. Push the bottom away. Exhale, down to the floor. Okay, right leg's going back. Inhale, right leg is back. Exhale, other leg joins. Down dog. Inhale. Exhale, coming forward to plank, drop the knees. Inhale, coming down, and then just hold it here for a second. Exhale. Inhale, cobra, just a little lift. Exhale, coming back. Stay here, inhale, and exhale, tucking the toes under to down dog. Inhale, stepping forward, right leg. Use your hand to help if you need. Other leg comes through. Inhale, rising. And exhale, coming back down. How'd you go? Round 3. We'll do 2 more little rounds, that's all, okay? A little bit quicker. Okay, gonna have my feet a little bit closer this time. Ready, here we go. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. I'm gonna make it a little bit different this time. Hands to the shins, inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg steps back. Exhale, other leg comes back. Inhale, forward, plank. Exhale, down. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, tuck the toes under, down dog. I snuck that up on you, didn't I? Inhale, left leg steps forward. Other leg comes and joins. Exhale. Inhale, rising. And exhale, hands down. Last round, that shorter one. Let's go. Inhale. Big reach. Exhale, over. Swan dive. Inhale, flat back. Push it away. Exhale, forward fold. Right leg. Inhale, big step back to a lunge. Exhale, other leg joins. Down dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Dropping the knees. Exhale to the floor. Tuck those elbows in. Cobra. Inhale. Or up dog if you like. Tuck the toes under. Down dog. Right leg. Inhale, forward. Big step. Other leg joins. Exhale. Inhale, in. Big breath. And exhale. Away. Hands behind the back. Pushing them down. Getting the shoulders, pushing them back. Opening the chest. To finish. And shake it all out. And you did it. Thanks for joining me for that very quick sun salutation. I threw 2 different sort of ways to do it in there, but you'll be fine. Thanks for joining me. See you.